Hi guys, this is Mahesh from Deep Technologies. Hope everything is fine during the COVID-19. Today we will see unboxing of ESSL biometric machine, which is a face-based machine, and model is UFace 302. So we will check unboxing of UFace 302. See, in this you will get UFace 302 biometric machines, in which you will see these IR LEDs and also the face-based camera. Okay, this is a thumb-based biometric combined face-based machine and also the card-based machine. So three options will be available in UFace 302. Okay, and now we will see the demo. Okay, this comes with a UFace 302 machine. This is the power supply. Okay, this power supply will be they are giving, and this is used for access control. Like for example, if you want to open a door using this machine, then there are some components will be required. That will be available in this also. So first we will connect power supply and we will see the demo. See, here is the power supply point. So we will connect the power supply here and we will start the button. Now to switch on the machine, here is the button. Press this button, then only this machine will be started. Now it will be starting. This machine is basically used during the COVID-19, so the user can only stand in front of this machine and their attendance will be marked. So this is very beneficial during the COVID-19. A machine UFace 302 will be started. Okay, now we will see how we can enroll the user into this during the COVID-19. Okay, so during the COVID-19, first you can do user enrollment into this machine. So for that purpose, do the safety, use the safety equipments or safety gloves and like this. Okay, and also the masks. So first create a user, go to user management. Okay, in user management you will see three options. Okay, new user, add user. There are three options will be there: new user, all users, and display style. Okay, for adding a new user, we can click on new user option. Okay, now see, you will get the user ID, name, user role, fingerprint, face, and badge number. Other options are available there, like password, user photo, and access control role. Okay, now user ID. In user ID you will enroll the user ID. So for example, in your company there is a user ID, that is suppose 10001. Okay, then click on OK. Name, then click the name, that is suppose name is Ganesh. Okay, type here. If you want in caps, then click OK. If you want in caps only, okay, there is an option, that is Ganesh. If you want, click surname also. Okay, go, suppose Gore, you can click OK. So we will put name and surname here. Okay, we will OK. See here, you will see user ID is 1001, name is Ganesh Gore, user normal. Suppose if you want to put super admin here, you can use the super admin. Super admin means machine will log and handle by the only the admin person. Like for example, suppose if we want to enter a second name, so during that the person who is an admin, he only add the name into this machine, otherwise the person only can mark attendance. Okay, so here is the fingerprint option. Fingerprint option is you can take a fingerprints also, but during the COVID-19 we cannot use this option, so we can use face based. Okay, face. So here we require to put our face. Enrollment is successful, so it shows a thank you message. After that is the badge number, that means the card. You can also put the card here also. Suppose I want to give the card to my employee and they want to mark the attendance using the card. At the time badge number will be the use, this option will be the use. Okay, then user photo. Okay, then password, you can also mark the attendance using the password also. Suppose if you want to put a password, then we can put a password 123 like that something, but it is difficult to memorize the password for the employee if they are the labor. Okay, so we will not suggest during the COVID-19, we will not suggest the password also. Okay, this is the access control. For the access control, connecting the access control or EM lock. Okay, now we will see the option all users also. In all users you will get all the users and data of the enrollment. Okay, see, this is the roll number, this is the name of the person, or this is this symbol. Okay, this symbol is means that face is enrolled in this device. Okay, we will see other option also, like the communication part. Communication, in communication is the part where we can put Ethernet IP address, then serial communication, cloud server setting, like that. In Ethernet we will put the IP address, which IP address will be provided, so we will put the IP address on all the details. Okay, so in system there is a one options. Okay, there are different options will be there. Date time, we can set the date time. The attendance, in attendance we can mark the duplicate punch also. For example, suppose we want to put attend duplicate punch mark, like for example, suppose if employee comes and mark the attendance at a only one time within a 4 minutes timing. Okay, for so he will here we will put the 4 minutes. So if he mark the attendance for within the 4 minutes, only one single employee data or employee time will be recorded into the machine. No duplicate data will be recorded. Okay, this is the face option. Fingerprint options, that is not useful. Okay, then this is the data management option. In data management we can delete the data, backup the data, restore the data. If we can put a delete data, there are different options: delete attendance data, delete all data, delete admin role, delete access control, like that. Suppose if I want to delete all data. Okay, delete all data, delete all data. Okay, now we will check whether all data is deleted or not. All user, there is a no enrollment. Okay, then there is a different option, that is the US manager also. In US manager you can download the data that is the raw data of the machine, upload the face from one machine to another machine. Okay, in here is the USB connectivity option will be there. Okay, this is the USB connector. So when we connect the USB, then only this download option will show. In download option, there is a different options will be available: attendance data, user portrait, and work code and short message. Okay, in attendance data, if we can click on attendance data, this will shows error failed to read the USB disk. When we connect the USB, then only this option will be the work, otherwise it will not work. In user data, if you download the user data, that means only the employee details and all of these, and it will be possible through this machine. Then there is a attendance search option. In attendance search, you can search the attendance of particular employee. Okay, for example, there is an employee code 1002, then we can search through this option. And this is the system info. This system info shows the device capacity. See, user capacity for the UFace 302 is 10,000 faces. Okay, now there is a fingerprint capacity, max 4,000 only fingerprints, face 3,000. Okay, that means if you can combine fingerprint and face, then you can enroll fingerprint 4,000 and face 3,000 if we combine of them. And if you want badge also, then 10,000 badges will be added into it. This is the device info. In device info, you will get the serial number, MAC address, fingerprint algorithm, face algorithm, platform information, and manufacturer. Okay. This firmware info. This firmware info will be available into this machine. This will require at the time if we want to upgrade the firmware at the time only. Now guys, one thing I will show you. There are 3 symbols. Okay, here is the one LAN connectivity symbol, another one is the battery, okay, and another one option is the that is the earth, that is for the connection through the server or through the server software. Okay, and here you will see the date and time, and here also you will see time and date. Thank you guys, please subscribe my channel so you will get the updates. Also, if you have any inquiry or any query, please call our phone or send email on deeptech2012@yahoo.com or info@deeptechnologies.co.in. Thank you.